Ayo, friendos! Welcome back to my channel. Or if it's your first time here, hello, my name is Laurel. I'm not a pro MUA, I'm just a weirdo that likes to collect and experiment with really nice makeup. Now, a few of you have asked me for a Valentine's Day look featuring the Pink Religion palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And in just a second, we're gonna get started with this very pink, very loud, sparkly, vivacious Valentine's Day look. You guys just stay tuned. And we're also going to dive into some of the items that I got from my Jeffree Star mystery box at the end. So I know you guys don't want to miss out on that. Stay tuned. Well, fabulous friendos, it has been a hot minute since we have dove into the Pink Religion palette. I'm really excited to get started today and see what we can create. If you've not seen my original Pink Religion video, it's the second video that I have on my channel. I was so nervous. I remember just being so nervous making that video, and now I think we're about 70 videos in and I've gotten a lot more comfortable talking in front of the camera. Thank God. I mean, it's still kind of awkward, but those first 2 weeks of recording were really wild for me. But enough of that, let's get started. So I'll be going in with the lightest shade first. This is Saint Star. I would have been this thing back, but Saint Star, it's the baby pink. And I'm starting out with my E05 from Nakia Joy. Next up, I'll go in with the shade Prom Night. Now, Prom Night is the hot pink, and I'm going in on my Sonia G Classic Crease. Then on the same brush, I'll be going in with Fashion Faith, the second darkest purple shade in the palette. And I'm taking the eyeshadow lower than what I normally do, but I promise it will come together. Then on my Units 201, we're going to go in with my favorite color from the palette, Vatican Vanity. It is the darkest purple. It's so... Alright. The darkest purple right here. It's so awkward holding this palette on camera, so I'm sorry if I'm not in view. Then on the same brush, I'm going to trace the inner edge of where I've already laid down color with Vatican Vanity once again to deepen things up. Now with concealer, I'm going to go in and cut this crease a little bit more, make it a little bit more defined. Then friendos, with my LR105, I will be going in with Princess Crown. So it is this shade right here. I'm going to wet my brush so that we can get the maximum sparkly payoff the fastest we possibly can. Okay, and now that that's down, I'm going to go back in with Fashion Faith to blend out where the concealer met the shadow, because it looks a little harsh. And friendos, today I will line on camera. I do consider this to be a surgical procedure despite the fact that I am not a real doctor. So with that in mind, I ask you all to hold your breath. Friendos, I'm shocked at how smoothly that went. I did this using a Kiko Milano eyeliner. This is from the Sweet Affairs collection. I do have a video up on my channel if you want to see this in action again. So I did get a little bit messy right over here. I'm going to clean that up real quick. Should be an easy fix. All right, friendos, it really wasn't that complicated, I know, but I think it's looking really nice. It's going to look a lot better when I come back and I have the other side done. So I'll see you guys in just a sec. All right, friendos, I got my liner and lashes on at last. If you only knew the trial and error of getting these things on. Okay, so from my Jeffree Star mystery box, I have Calabasas lip liner. And then I also have from the mini nude bundle Celebrity Skin and the Velour liquid lipstick. So I'm going to line and then we're going to put on the liquid lipstick over it. And we'll see how that turns out. I might go over it with the gloss. It just depends. Friendos, I have to tell you, this is so much better than the original formula. This actually smells pretty good. This smells like root beer. I didn't realize that was a thing because none of my other Jeffree products smell like this. So I think I will do a little bit of that gloss that I got from the mystery box. Be right back. All right, so this is in the shade Peach Price Tag. Okay, I didn't know that this is gonna have a green reflect. Okay. I'm gonna stop right here before I get myself in any deeper. Still looks kind of cool though. Alrighty then. Let's finish off with blush. I'm going to go in with Prom Night once again for my blush today. Really lightly because this is ultra pigmented. And friendos, I guess I shall call it here. Let me know what you think of this look. And tell me, is this your kind of Valentine's Day? Are you loud and proud? Or do you prefer something more smoky and sultry? Either way, I now have 2 Valentine's Day videos up on my channel. If this isn't really your vibe, I do have something that's a little bit more smoky and refined. Either way, I'm so happy that you chose to spend your time here with me today. Let me know if you own the Pink Religion palette and what you think of it. No matter what you do on Valentine's Day, I hope you have a wonderful one. Please give this video a like, lots of likes. If you are feeling so generous today, please subscribe if you have not done so already. Because if not, we'll both have to live in the melodrama of never knowing what could have been. Alright guys, bye.